Hey, fifth grade. So we are back on track with our mentor sentence study in place of our word work. This week's sentence comes from The Selection by Kira Cass. And remember, this is a direct quote from the novel. So what we're looking at this week is not an example of dialogue. So when you go on to do your Monday musing activity, please don't write that it's dialogue because it is not. Those quotation marks are there just to show that it's a direct quote. Our sentence is, if you don't want me to be in love with you, you're going to have to stop looking so lovely. All right, guys, so you're going to take a look at this sentence and make a list in this text box over here of all of the things that you notice. Please remember that when you're talking or when you're looking at our sentence, these are the 8 things I want you taking into consideration as you're making that list. So in just a minute, you're going to pause the video and then you're going to come back here to see what I noticed about our sentence, and hopefully we'll compare notes. Pause the video now and I'll see you back here in a moment. All right, so we are back and here is my list. Hopefully you found even better things to list than I did. I noticed there was a subordinating conjunction, and that usually indicates that there is a dependent clause in there somewhere, which then leads us to the next thing that I noticed, that it's a complex sentence because it's got an independent clause as well as an independent clause, or a dependent clause, excuse me. It's an imperative sentence because it's making a command. You know, if you don't want me to be in love with you, you're going to have to stop looking so lovely. They're telling them you have to stop looking so lovely. So it's a bossy sentence. We call that an imperative sentence. And then I also noticed there was something going on with the verbs, and there were a lot of pronouns in this sentence rather than nouns, naming the people. So that's all I have for the Monday musings. If you need to pause this video and add my notes to your notes, that's absolutely fine. Hopefully, appliances, the issue that we were having with appliances got worked out, and you guys are able to go to the other slide deck that I attached to this assignment that has the video lessons. Watch those Teacher Tuesday video lessons on verbs, and then you're going to come back here and you're going to diagram the sentence by assigning the parts of speech. I am not going to come back in here and tell you those parts of speech today, so I'm just telling you what I'm asking you to do, and we'll talk about it when I'm able to join you on Wednesday. We'll go over it together. So I'm asking you to go in here to the video lessons and references. This one hasn't been updated yet because I'm still waiting for appliances. But there are 3 Teacher Tuesday videos that I want you guys to watch on verb tenses. And they're Khan Academy videos, so they're really quick and short and easy. So you're going to click on here. If the video doesn't load, then that really doesn't change what you're able to do over here. You're going to come back in. You're going to do the ones that you know for sure. So the nouns and the verbs and probably the articles. You guys are pretty solid on those, and the pronouns. And then you're going to go back and use those reference pages for the ones that you're not sure of. You are not going to leave any of them blank. You're going to try and figure out each one. And then, like I said, if you get it wrong, you get it wrong. We're going to go over it together in class when I am back with you. All right, guys, so go ahead and finish up with your Teacher Tuesday activities, and I'll see you back here soon. I love and miss you.